In the previous lecture, we saw how to design our web page, and in this lecture we'll now see how to manipulate in this web page, how to manipulate different things by using different JavaScript techniques. So what we want to achieve here is to make the counter increase by 1 every time we click on this button. So to do this, we'll use useState hook. We'll see like how powerful it is for state management. So we'll go in our terminal now. We want that whatever the user, like whenever they click on this, it will increase by 1 unit. So we'll use the onClick method. So when someone targets this button, it will automatically activate this function. So we'll make this function on the upper side as well. We'll write const handle. We'll use arrow function here. Okay, I hope you studied JavaScript because you need like some basic knowledge and understanding of JavaScript to like, you know, be familiar with what I'm doing here and understand like what's the difference between the arrow function and the normal function. So when the user will click on this button, it will target it. We have to add a dynamic value here. So now we'll make a variable count and we'll initialize the value to 0. So now I'll tell you like about the useState syntax. In the useState there are 2 variables. First one is the current state and the other one is the updated state. So you have to remember that the current value is being initialized here, and we want that our value should be 0 here. Like it's already 0, so we'll write 0 here. So okay, so that the current state value is 0 here. Whenever you will change the value of the updated state value, it will automatically change the value of the current state as well. Okay, so here we'll write the value of the current state. So as you can see, it's 0. Now, we want that whenever the user clicks on the value of the updated state, it will change because it will automatically change its value as well. Okay, so now we'll write update state here. We'll do a simple thing. So in the current state, the 0 value has been stored. We'll use the current state plus 1 in it. Now, okay, so whenever the user will click on this button, the value of the updated state value will be increased and the current state value will also increase. So we'll save it and we check it in the browser to see like if it's working or not. So the current and updated values are changing. And as you can see, it's again keep on changing whenever we're clicking on this button. So the useState is so much powerful. It's very powerful for different state management purposes. You can change it from real time so that yeah, like that's how it works basically. So that was the example regarding useState, and yeah, I think now it's much clearer to you. So I hope you understood the concept of useState, and now on to the next lecture.